Lesson number 1. Where are you from? Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm good. Do you speak English? I speak a little. Are you American? Yes. Where are you from? I'm from California. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Lesson 2. Do you speak English? Excuse me, are you American? No. Do you speak English? A little, but not very well. How long have you been here? 4 months. What do you do for work? I'm a student. How about you? I'm a student too. Lesson 3. What's your name? Excuse me, what's your name? My name is Fred. What is your name? It is Todd. You speak English very well. Thank you. Do you know what time it is? Sure. It's 5:10 p.m. What did you say? I said it's 5:10 p.m. Thanks. You are welcome. Lesson 4. Asking for directions. Hi, Michael. Hi, Amy. What's up? I'm looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there? No, sorry. I don't know. I think I can take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is? Sure. It is over there. Where? I don't see it. It is across the street. Oh, I see it now. Thanks. You are welcome. Do you know if there's a bathroom around here? Yes, there is one in that store. Thank you. Bye. See you later. Lesson 5. I'm hungry. Hi, Fred. How are you? Fine. How are you doing? Okay. What do you want to do? I'm hungry. I'd like to eat something. Where do you want to go? I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant. What kinds of Italian food do you like? I like spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti? No, I don't, but I like pizza. Lesson 6. Do you want something to drink? David, would you like something to eat? No, I'm full. Do you want something to drink? Yes, I'd like some coffee. Sorry, I don't have any coffee. That's okay. I'll have a glass of water. A small glass or a big one? A small one, please. Here you are. Thanks. You're welcome. Lesson 7. That's too late. George, would you like to get something to eat with me? Okay. When? At 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock in the morning? No, at night. Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m. Okay, how about 1:30? No, that's too early. I'll still be at work then. How about 5 p.m.? That would be good. Okay, see you then. All right, bye. Lesson 8. Choosing a time to meet. Jennifer, would you like to have dinner with me? Yes. That would be nice. When do you want to go? Is today okay? Sorry, I can't go today. How about tomorrow night? Okay. What time? Is 9 p.m. all right? I think that's too late. Is 6 p.m. okay? Yes, that's good. Where would you like to go? The Italian restaurant on 5th Street. Oh, I don't like that restaurant. Can we go somewhere else? How about the Korean restaurant next to it? Okay, I like that place. Lesson 9. When do you want to go? Hi, Mark. Hi. What are you planning to do today? I'm not sure yet. Would you like to have lunch with me? Yes. When? Is 11:30 a.m. okay? Sorry, I didn't hear you. Can you say that again, please? I said 11:30 a.m. Oh, I'm busy then. Can we go a little later? Okay, how about 12:30 p.m.? Okay, where? How about the Waffle House? Okay, where is that? It's on 7th Street. Okay, I'll meet you there. Lesson 10. Ordering food. Hello, sir. Welcome to the restaurant. How many? 1. Right this way. Please have a seat. Your waitress will be with you right away. Hello, sir. Would you like to order now? Yes, please. What would you like to drink? What do you have? We have water, juice, and pop. I'll have a Coke, please. What would you like to eat? I'll have a tuna fish sandwich and a bowl of vegetable soup.